How to delete chats from both sides permanently on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to unsend a message so it disappears for everyone in the conversation on Android and mobile. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. From there, tap the message icon at the bottom center of the screen. After that, open the chat where you want to delete a message from. At this point, find the specific message you want to remove and long press on it. From there, a pop-up will appear showing several options: reply, favorite, forward, pin, add sticker, delete from you, and unsend. Following this, make sure you tap unsend. This will remove the message from both sides of the conversation permanently. From here, the message will disappear for you and the other person at the same time. Finally, keep in mind that tapping delete from you will only remove the message from your side. The other person will still be able to see it, so always go with unsend if you want it gone for everyone. That's how you permanently delete messages from both sides on Instagram. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and I'll catch you in the next one.